More than 80 million jobs are going to be lost to artificial intelligence in the next 10 years. Will teaching be one of those jobs? Let's find out. Coming up. What is going on? My name is Ramesh. Welcome to another video on Mudgal's Musings, a channel dedicated to increasing your productivity. If this happens to be your first time here, consider subscribing because I keep posting one interesting video to help you increase your productivity. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you don't miss out anything exciting on this channel and you get notified every time I upload a new video. While usage of technology in the education is not a new thing, it has been there for over about 15-20 years now, and especially in the last 5 to 10 years, this has kind of increased, and every school, whether it is a small one or a big one or a modernized school, has adopted technology in one way or the other. But the artificial intelligence is expected to bring about lot many changes in many industries, and probably to some extent even the education industry is also going to be affected, and the large majority of the workforce of the education industry is obviously the teachers. In fact, the teachers form the core of education industry and they are also likely to be affected. Well, the good news is that they are more likely to be affected positively than negatively. They're not going to lose their jobs. They are most likely going to be helped by the artificial intelligence in discharging their responsibilities and duties in a positive manner. So how is artificial intelligence or any technology for that matter going to help the teacher? So let's look at the positive side of the factor first. The artificial intelligence is expected to help the teachers in 5 major areas. Number 1 is the preparation. Number 2 is the administration. Number 3 is the evaluation. Number 4 is the feedback. And number 5, and the most important one, is the differentiation. So a structured AI program, as it improves year on year, it is going to kind of help the teachers a lot in easing out their efforts and their time in these 5 areas, which is actually going to let the teachers have some more time for focusing on the actual instruction. The bulk of the time that is saved by the inclusion of technology into their day-to-day lives, and also the artificial intelligence, the advantages that it is going to bring about, the benefits that it is going to bring about, the teachers could actually be able to focus on several factors. Number 1 factor is that the teachers will be left with more time to spend in instruction, actual interaction with the students, spending more time with them, making things clearer to them, helping them grasp over the subjects a little bit better. And second important aspect obviously is that teachers will have more time to personalize their learning. They all want to do this, but they do not have the time. The time is a big constraint for them. So the second important aspect obviously is they will be able to do personalization much better with the available time. The third thing is obviously going to be that the teachers will be able to spend a little more time developing the most important aspect of social and emotional learning among the students. The next way in which this extra time could be used is by building the capacity of the teachers, by providing them the professional development opportunities which are aligned with the industry requirements, which are aligned and to the learning outcomes of the students, which are also aligned to the learning needs of the teachers themselves. Having understood that the artificial intelligence cannot replace the teachers, we also look at the reasons as to why it cannot replace the teachers. So number 1 factor is obviously an artificial intelligence program is difficult to deliver the kind of human interaction that a teacher can do. An AI program cannot inspire students, cannot resolve conflicts, cannot build positive culture in school and classrooms, cannot mentor students, cannot coach students. Aren't these reasons not enough for us to understand that an AI program perhaps cannot replace a teacher? So teachers all over the world, be happy, you are saved. Although artificial intelligence may not be the one that is replacing the teachers, but if the teachers are not willing to change, if the teachers are not willing to adapt to the changed circumstances, if they're not quick enough, if they're not fast enough, if they're not willing, then nobody can protect their jobs. So what do you think about this idea of artificial intelligence, and in what other ways it can impact the teachers, it can impact the education? Do mention them in the comment section below. That's all on Mudgal's Musings this week. Thanks for watching this video. Like it if you like it, and do share the video among your friends and acquaintances, just in case they might also be interested in watching videos like this. Till I see you next time, have a wonderful time ahead. Stay home, stay safe. Do take good care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.